So, as a bonus na lang, kung pwede nyo i-comment sa comment section natin kung nahuhulaan nyo ba tong crypto na to. Pero as a bonus, ito yung um, nakipag-usap ako sa ChatGPT, okay, para malaman yung mga uh, pwede natin gawing buying opportunity dito sa blind item crypto natin for today, okay? And guys, welcome back sa ating channel. Trip lang to guys. Ito yung date and time ng recording natin. Ayan yung itsura ng crypto na to. Ayan. So, makikita natin dito, July 30, 2025, 6 pesos 13 cents. Ayan, dire-diretso hanggang mag-August, nasa 6 pesos lang siya until all of a sudden, August 4, naging, from 6 pesos, naging 17. And then, unti-unting umakyat. August 5, 50 pesos. Tapos ito, 93 pesos on the same day. Time zone to nung CoinGecko website. Ayan. Ayan. And then, umabot ito as high as, ayan, nakikita nyo yung date and time ng recording natin. August 6, 2025, 118.49 pesos. Okay? Pero, on the same date and time today, makikita nyo, bumaba uli agad siya. Ilang oras lang yung nakalipas. August 6, 2025, 7:20. Time zone ng CoinGecko website, makikita natin itong pinapahulaan nating crypto, blind item na crypto natin, bumaba siya down to 73.50. Okay? So, ang bilis bumulusok pababa. So, as a bonus na lang, kung pwede nyo i-comment sa comment section natin kung nahuhulaan nyo ba tong crypto na to. Pero as a bonus, ito yung nakipag-usap ako sa ChatGPT, okay, para malaman yung mga pwede natin gawing buying opportunity dito sa blind item crypto natin for today, okay? So ito na lang yung bonus natin for this video. And kung may idea ka kung anong cryptocurrency yung pinakita ko, comment down. And guys, a very important disclaimer statement for our crypto bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.